What up, Smart Rapper Gang? This is part of the marketing series. And today we're going to be talking about 3 tricks to sell way more albums when you drop a project. This money can really add up, and if you've seen my video where I talked about and I showed you I made $15,000 selling handmade burned CDs, and I made that money within a month of releasing a project. Like, you can sell music still, okay? You can make money and every little bit's gonna add up. And I'm not talking about CDs here, I'm talking about just selling your music. Because fans who support you will purchase music. I'm always over here trying to think of anything I could possibly do, any type of information that I have, that I've used, that I've learned, or that I want to try, that I believe is right, to teach you guys and girls what you can do to better yourself as an artist. Obviously, that's why it's called Smart Rapper. And I definitely didn't want to leave this one off the list, okay? These are important, they all add up. Now, I charted iTunes Top 100 with my first album that I released, okay? Like, I charted, like that's incredible for an artist to do that. I did that using some of these tactics that I'm going to tell you in this video. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper, the #1 place for upcoming artists. You're about to get smarter today, okay? Please hit me with a subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because I release a new video every day, okay? Like these videos to help you guys grow your fan bases and make all these decisions and make more money and do all these things, okay? We're over 200,000 subscribers now. We're gonna beat 1 million subscribers in no time. Let's keep it going, all right? We're gonna get you a little bit smarter today, right after the intro.
Anything I know is you ain't built like this. Hit it so hard, make a brain say quit. I ain't no fraud, no gangster or goon. I just wanna accept disrespect or lose. Now follow me to greatness, show you what it take. Show you how to use curse, show you how to hate it. Hungry for more like a Lloyd Banks playlist. Still like the only person not up in the matrix.
And that song that just played in the intro, that's my song. You can check that out. I'll put a link below if you want to check that out. Give me a stream, add it to a playlist you listen to daily. That'll help me a lot. It really will. And I would really appreciate it for me helping provide you with all this value. If you could take 2 quick seconds to go to Spotify or Apple Music and actually do that for me. It really adds up. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead and get into it though. You can do that after this video. I'll put the links below. So today we're going to go through a few things that you can actually do to give your next project the momentum it needs and it also deserves to get you off the ground. These days it can be really tempting to just want to drop something and just hope that the quality of the song and how good it is will just blow you up, but unfortunately it's not as simple as that. Don't shoot yourself in the foot and set yourself up for disaster because you didn't prepare enough before you release the project. You're gonna feel really dumb. If you don't prepare, you're gonna feel dumb. You're gonna feel like you wasted a lot of time and energy writing a song, recording a song, getting it done and putting it out. If you don't have a plan for how you're gonna market it, you're gonna feel like it's a total waste. So listen up, I'm gonna give you some of these tips that are gonna help you sell more albums and get yourself off the ground and get these things moving for you. Number 1, and I did this, okay? You release a smaller project 1 month before your main project is coming up. Now, this is a brilliant idea for a number of reasons. First off, it gives your current fan base music to listen to in the month before your actual full project comes out, right? So you have like this 5 songs released, this extra 5 songs that you didn't put on the album. You have those released a month before your album's coming out, and this pre-promoted project, and tell everybody, hey, this is a pre-release, the album's coming out, this is gonna hold you guys over, get ready for the album, and this project will hype them up for that. Okay, so be listening to this, getting all hyped up, ready for the album release, okay? They have something to think about and listen to of you before that next project comes out, so they're not listening to somebody else, they're focusing on you still. Now this is actually a very strategic choice to do something like this because it taps into the basic human necessity and need of familiarity. It's a legit psychological phenomenon that's known as the mere exposure effect. And it means that people generally develop a preference, okay, for something that they're already listening to or that they already like or that they already want. They're already exposed to it, they like it, they become familiarized with it, and they like it more. Okay, so you can see why releasing a project right before another project comes out, they're actually gonna like your album more as well. If they have this music and then you release the better music, your project's gonna sound even better to them as well. So in this case, we want people to be more familiar with you and therefore biased and have a different view on whatever the stuff is that you put out. And it also keeps you in their mind for that whole month so that they're always ready and already familiar with you when you drop that project that we're talking about here. And on this pre-release project, you can put teasers of songs that are actually on your album that they don't get to hear yet. Like in between certain songs, you put like a hook and like, whoa, what was that? Oh, I can't wait for that to come out. You can also put skits at the end of the songs or in the beginning of the songs that tease that you have the project coming out. I did this on my Villainism project, the one where I sold 1,000 CDs and made the 15 grand in less than a month because I did freestyles and remixes of songs. Right? Remember, I'm pretty sure the date was August 6th because at the end of every freestyle I did, I was like August 6th, then I'd laugh and be like, huh, August 6th is coming, August 6th. And then everybody was ready. When August 6th hit, everybody was ready to buy that CD. Every single person. There's no way I could have did it if I hadn't been teasing it for months leading up to that point and been releasing music. And also, like I said a second ago, this pre-release actually, people know that this isn't the album. So they're gonna be like, damn, if this is the mixtape, imagine the album. And like Prodigy said in Dump, he said, don't confuse our album with that mixtape shit. Those are scraps, basically our throwaway shit. Cause you know, like mixtapes are generally like just extra stuff, but you know when an album comes out, it's gonna be crazy. Okay, so this is very powerful for you to simply release a small project or at least a couple songs within a month of your actual project releasing. Let's go to number 2. In order to sell more albums, you should offer more things or more incentive and give them more reason to buy the album when it comes out. It's the same thing that you heard Nicki Minaj and Travis Scott did with their last album to sell way more of their project and of their album. To get those types of record sales, you gotta offer extra incentives along with the album because you can't just sell music anymore. Music can be streamed for free, so why would somebody buy something for $10 or $15? But this is how you make the money from somebody who's actually a fan of you. You bundle the album with a bunch of other things. So what they did is, well, they sell the album along with a concert ticket and t-shirts. So the way that they're doing it is you buy the album, you're getting the album, but what you're really doing is you're buying the concert ticket. And when they buy the concert ticket, you're gonna go to a concert and or you're gonna have a t-shirt already, be wearing a t-shirt, go to the concert, enjoy the concert, probably buy more merchandise at the concert and or bring a friend with you and convince them to buy a ticket to go to the concert. So it's just all these ways of generating money. It's smart to do it like that. Plus you want to incentivize people to have more reasons. So give them a bundle. Say it comes with the autographed CD. I'm gonna give you an autographed CD. It's gonna come with a hat, it's gonna come with this. If you buy this, you get this, this, and this. You're gonna sell more, you're gonna charge, you can do all these different things with these little tips, okay? Because when you bundle it, it still counts as an album sale. You're still selling the album. One thing that I did, okay, that helped a lot and to help me chart is I told everybody, if you pre-buy my album, you give me your phone number, I will call you and I will thank you personally for buying my album. I did that. And I had to call a lot of people, and the people who picked up, I thought it was gonna be like 1-minute conversations. Like, you can't do that. That was extremely time consuming, but to me, now I get to say that I had an album that charted. It was well worth it to me, plus it built a stronger connection with me and my fans. You also gotta look like this, how I looked at it, right? So if somebody gave me $10 to talk to them on the phone for 5 minutes, it's $120 an hour. And again, they're even more of a fan after that. Worth it again. These creative ideas offer more to your fans and really set you apart from the rest of the pack, okay? And that's, you wanna be different? Well, you gotta be different, you gotta do different things. You gotta do smart things. And show them that you are creative and that you also care about having a positive impact on them and actually care about them as a person. That's what makes them like you. And number 3, a lot of artists do this to get other people pumped about a project coming out and get everybody excited to get this project, okay, that you have coming. What you do here is you buy collabs from a couple other artists that your fans would actually love to see you collaborate with. Because if they've been waiting to see that collaboration, well, this project is more than just an album. It's like they've been waiting for this. They're waiting for the music. They've been waiting for that collaboration to happen. Think about that. Who is in your range or your area of music that your fans also that listen to or would like you to do a song with? It also gives you credibility bonus if there's not somebody that they expected a collab from, but you get a collab from them. Anybody who's already a fan of yours is excited to see somebody on the album that they recognize the name. Oh shit, I gotta hear that song. It really helps to also have those collaborations from mid-sized rappers that they have heard of, and then they can see you doing big things. Like, oh, he is doing something. This project got 2 rappers on there that I heard of. Damn, he's moving up. So what I recommend you do is you save up a little bit of money, you do this properly. You buy some verses, save like $2 grand, you buy 2 or 3 verses from mid-sized rappers who will sell a verse to you. Just go over it again so you don't forget it. Number 1, release a project or a bunch of songs prior to the release of your new project. Number 2, bundle your album along with other items so that you can sell more albums. And number 3, get some features for your project. These are all very beneficial and will help you sell more projects, get more streams, and make more money on your album, my friend. Okay, so go do those things. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper. Hit me with a subscribe. I release a new video every single day so you can get smarter. So hit the little bell when you subscribe and hit me with a comment and hit me with a like. And please, after this, go in the description right now and go check out my new song, okay, on Spotify. See how it's doing, see the numbers on it, and please add it to a playlist of yours because it helps me in the algorithm. Helping you, please help me. I never usually ask everybody for this, but now I'm asking because it's time to grow this. The further I get, the more I learn and the more I can teach you. Let's grow together. Go in that description below. Go to Spotify, check it out. Go to Apple Music, check it out. Links right there below. I appreciate y'all. Keep hustling, gang. Go out there, get this money, get yourself charted. Let's do this. We'll take over the world. Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
Smart Rapper Gang.